Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see one of the interview question on the Java. Okay, so let's see what is the question. Can Java be said to be the complete object-oriented programming language? So the question is like whether the Java is 100% object-oriented programming language or not. The question is like that. So what is your guess? Whether it is a completely or 100% object-oriented language, oriented programming language? So you might be thinking that yes. Okay. So but the answer is no. So it is not completely or 100% object-oriented programming language. Okay, why? Because so as it supports the what primitive data types. There is some kind of primitive data types. The primitive data types are integer, float, double, character. You might be knowing that one. So that those are called as a primitive data types. Those data types, it supports that those primitive data types. That's the reason it is not a completely object-oriented programming language. When it comes to the non-primitive data types, we have to create object for that. So when it comes to the primitive data types, we can access it directly. Okay, so and and these primitive data types are not belongs to the what integer classes. Okay, it is not belongs to the integer classes, and they can be accessed directly. Okay, so when it comes to like within a class, when whatever you mentioned, non-primitive data types or the functions, okay, so that those can be accessed using using the object creation. Using the object creation, we have to access them. Okay, so let's see what is the answer we do have. Okay, so it is not wrong if we claim that Java is the complete object-oriented programming language because everything in the Java is under the classes and we can access them by creating the objects. Okay, for example, if you create a class and if you are mentioned, if you it is whatever it is under the classes, we have to create the object for that. Okay, but we can even say that Java is not completely object-oriented programming language just because it supports the what? Primitive data types like integer, float, character, boolean. Okay, so etc. So and as it is like we can access them directly. Okay, the primitive data types we can access them directly. So and these primitive data types don't directly belongs to the what? Integer classes. Okay, as I explained it before only, that is the answer we have. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding our interview questions. If you guys are understanding, please share it to the other students, which can help them to crack the interviews. Okay, and if you guys is liking it, please subscribe it and hit the like button. And thank you for the watching, guys.